Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just did get post for YouTube or you do watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you could just know anytime we post video for here. Thank you so much for coming around the gate. Thank you, and God bless you. So today, before we talk today's topic, I just want to remember us say we'll get a new channel. I'll put the link down there. You just click on the link and we'll see our new channel. Now different thing with the talk for there. Then I want to make us understand again, say that 4 things what would they do for this platform, we still they do. And number one, that thing when they bother you, they say a problem, say it's a problem solve. That thing when they bother you, when you don't know you want share am with, because you don't get a true friend when you want share am with, yeah, not be judged, but just come talk with it, they bother you. And I believe say with the beautiful people, the important people, the precious people, the important people wey dey for this platform, the reasonable people, the valuable people will always give their comments and their voice recording. From there you will get the solution to that problem, because this platform na solution center, you know now. So just say it out, okay, instead of you to come dey keep am for your mind, the whole lot, no. So another thing we dey do again for pikin matter, at least we don get 2 special solution now. So if you know say na pikin matter, the number dey down there, you call. Or you dream, you don't know the meaning, the number dey down there, you call. But for the dream, the number na WhatsApp number. Just WhatsApp me through voice recording. Not do writing, no, because it go too long. I no fit read all of them. So you do voice recording. Even though say I dey cook, I feel you dey play and dey listen. Then I go reply you. If not to even call you back, I go call you back for the dream move. Then you dey look for your partner. Then meet your match, bone of your bone, flesh of your flesh. Now for here too. If na 2 group, we get the HIV positive and the negative group. You know, the positive group, you say they be good people, they like to be with person wey be say if they share the same thing with them, you understand, because who wear shoe na im know where the pain na. So they want to be with somebody wey be say e wear the same shoe with them, so they know where the pain there for the shoe. That's why they come out as a good person to say, okay, see, they want their partner to. Here is confidential, trust me. So now that one, another one there again. So now that one they do for here. So thank you so much. Thank you, my precious people, for your comments and your voice recording. So today we want to talk about our sister. This our sister, she say where she watched that our video when we talk about blood oath, when the guy say na so she and the guy share blood oath. He say and people come they give comment say maybe better. Some people say she better go meet the guy when they share the blood oath together. Say na only there na she go fit get peace. If not, she not go fit get peace. So she come out now. They make us understand say no be by being with that person na person go fit get peace. He said because that blood oath not be wetin person go dey do. And me too, I can't still listen to her story. Now dear me see they tell you when they watch me, so no ever do am. Don't ever try it. Advise your sister, advise your brother, share this video. I'm gonna put like, when I'm gonna not forget to put like, I'm gonna share this video. Advise your sister, advise your brother, even your children, advise them not to ever do that blood oath. It's not good. Even if you say you be with the person, it be like say spirit dey wey be say e dey follow that thing, and that spirit e dey follow the thing. You be with the person, e go worry you. You not be with the person, e go worry you. So not just do am at all because of wetin I wan talk. So that make me dey talk am. So make your children, your sister, your brothers understand not to even try it, because there is no advantage. Now disadvantage na dey inside. So wetin really happen to this our sister? She say when she dey house, she meet this guy. They born her with a golden spoon, no, so they get money, they use money, you know, people they hail her for the area. He said the guy come across her, and then she was just maybe 18 at that time. He said the guy come talk to her. They just leave each other. They don't deal with each other. He just talk to her. She agree, but later the relationship no work. It said then after 1 year they come jam across each other again. The guy come again, you know. you know now when you first go you come back, so you can't come again. And the guy say okay, let me give it a try. Now so they take start their relationship. He say when they start, when the guy come, you understand now ample level. Now if I dey talk am, people say I too dey talk ample. The all the matter sef dey relate to this thing. No be say I like to dey talk am. He say so now there the guy come say nobody don chop your apple before. After that 1 year when I take talk to you, when I leave you, so nobody. He say nobody. He say the way you then get rich, I think say maybe somebody don go there. He say no, say nobody. Say na only you. So the guy can't love am well well. He can't always like make she dey be with her. He say because she not quick. All her friends, people don chop their apple. He say her own, they not quick chop her apple. He say because his mama, they always dey test am. If you hear comot, he call mama say, oh yeah, come lie down. You don't person don chop your apple. He go tell him mama say nobody chop my apple. Mama will say la, oh yeah, lie down. He go test her. He get the way they take they test am for us that time. Na egg that they use, you understand. He say mama go see do and go say okay. Mama go see do and go say okay. Say now because of that one, I may fear not let anybody chop the apple, because if anybody chop the apple, mama go just cash am for us. He say until that day when this guy come chop the apple. He say when he reach house, but the mama no come do am. Now he come rest o. He say but later mama come dey look am. Mama come say the way you come to dey shame, if you wan wear cloth, you go dey shame. You no dey like to do wetin you dey do again. You go come dey baff well, dey come dey make up and all that. Say na then mama come say person don chop your apple. Now you just see tell him mama say na true to somebody don chop the apple, you know. Then mama come say okay, we wan know the guy, if the guy will just marry you, because we don't want me waka kpurukere waka. Then he come say okay, he go bring the guy come. As he bring the guy come, they know say the guy, the family dey whole, but only say the guy stubborn. Then they come say okay. So meanwhile, the guy mama, parents, he give the guy money, say make he take do business. The guy come dey do the business. He come see dey stay with the guy, they go dey come, you know. Him mama come dey tell am say you too dey stay with this guy, you never put money for your head o. You can't stay house, so you too small o. This guy not go put money for your head again, you too small, you know. At that time she dey 19, they go 20 o. He say later because say the guy don't know pikin wey dem born with golden spoon na, the way the guy say dey live his life, dey spend money anyhow, because he know na money dey na. So the money wey dem come give am take do business, he no fit hold the money well. Come be like say the money come dey go. So now this guy come call am say this money don dey go. He no wan make this money finish o, because if e finish, his parents they don already give am warning say they no go ever give am any money again, and they no go help him again. So what he plan now be say make they just use this money wey remain with am, make they take travel out of the country. Now she come talk say she no go. Now the guy say la, anywhere they go, he must draw you, or you must follow him. He wan marry you. Say before you know wetin dey happen. Now first the guy take Canada comot for house. He no even tell am say that they come that day. He no tell his parents for house. After they don reach Africa country, before he come say okay, his parents come even dey look for her sef. They come go report for station say they no see their pikin o. At the end, before she come call say she dey okay o, she travel out o. Na so they come say okay, wetin dem go do? Dem no get anything wey dem go do now to pray for her make she succeed. Na prayer dem come dey pray for her. He say so as dem come dey that Africa country now, the money wey dem carry come, everything, before you know wetin dey happen, everything don finish. Money wey dem dey take, wey dem no dey put, you know say na so e dey finish now. He say so dem come your dey like that. Later na the guy come your join that level wey dem dey do now, when you find oyibo for net and all that. He say na so dem come dey try to find, so that the oyibo go come carry dem come Europe, they will marry the oyibo. He say na so they come dey do am. He say later na the guy come first get luck. As the guy dey find woman for himself, he dey find man for her. He say the guy now come first get luck, he can't get woman, but the woman na advanced woman. So the woman come down to that Africa country. He come marry the guy. When the woman come, she come behave like a sister to the guy, you know. They will dey together. He come be sister level now, you understand. So now so they come dey together, they do marriage, do everything. Then they come dey wait for visa for the guy to comot. Now the guy come talk say he no wan leave you for this Africa country. Now he carry you come. So to leave you for here, e get as e be for him. He must try to find your own oyibo for you when he go come still come carry you. He say the guy come dey try, and luckily he come get oyibo, and this oyibo wey he come get for this our sister, e come be young oyibo wey he fine well when be say the oyibo he still pepper. So the guy come still come down. He come still dey with the guy. This guy so come still dey do brother level, you understand? The oyibo no know, come dey do say na him brother. They come dey together. So he say as he see the oyibo, he just fall in love with you, the oyibo. He just love the oyibo. He say so the guy come dey look and say, e be like say this my girl go like this oyibo. He say really love the oyibo. He say people around come dey talk say, you just go carry your own correct girl oyibo give this your babe. This your baby don go finish, na child, na bye bye. Once you just reach abroad, you go dey call the number. You go talk say the number you are trying to call is with his oyibo. He say so no just try out. This girl, she go just leave you. He say the guy come dey get that any small thing he go call am. He go say this oyibo you like am. He go say he no like am. He go say hey, na lie you dey talk. He dey see love for inside this your eye. The way you take dey do if you dey talk to am, the way you dey do all your things, love dey inside this your eye. You don fall in love with this oyibo. He say he go say he no love this oyibo. Not be as we talk am. He say no. For that reason, he dey fear. He say but you dey with your own. I dey with my. He say no. Na you ain't want to. That woman too advanced for am. Say come say he no fall in love, no worry. As we talk am, e go be like that. He say for her own mind, she really love that oyibo, and the oyibo too good to her. He say the guy no come gree. Now the guy come say very soon now we go come share garri. Me go meet my own wey go carry me go Europe if my visa don come out. They don this one don still do marriage. She dey wait for her visa. If your visa still come out now, you go meet this man, and no be the same country. So therefore now, so he go see you reach. He no go gree make dem come swear the oath. He say come tell am say he no dey swear any oath o. E no good o, because he see people wey swear oath. He see the way things dey be for them later. For that reason, he no dey swear oath. He say the boy say na lie o. He don carry you from Nigeria come Africa country. You don get oyibo wan carry you go abroad. Now you wan throway me. He say but you still your own side still good now. He say no, na she want to. He must swear oath o. If you not swear oath, this and the being na say the guy na stubborn guy. The way the guy come say dey talk. He say lie no go do. He say after much and done, when the guy don talk. Now cause okay make dem do. I say na so two of dem come take swear the blood oath. After they swear blood oath finish, her visa na come fair come out, and na the man fair put so the guy na fair put in, but her own come fair come out. When her own come out, then she comot. Then when she come dey the country when she dey with the oyibo, she dey very fine with the oyibo. The oyibo treat am well, and he really love the oyibo. He said the guy come tell am even buy all this medicine wey person not take dey get belle. He give am make he dey drink so that he no fit get belle for am. Make he no come tell am say one thing comot for two things, then he take get belle. Say he come dey take the medicine. He go call am, you see dey take the medicine? He go say yes. You see dey take am? He go say yes. He really dey take am. Say but the oyibo too nice for am. He really want to be with this oyibo. Say but wetin he go do? He come see dey think am say with that blood oath, if he still stay with this oyibo, the relationship no go work. So make better leave the oyibo later, go meet this guy. Say because of the blood oath. He say like say no be the blood oath, no matter what, he for stay with the oyibo because he no want problem. He say supposing you know say na so things go still be. Say even though say you stay with that one, you not na the same problem. Say for kukuma just stay with the oyibo. He said na so he come dey send money go give this guy. Or later this guy visa come still come out. He come go meet him own oyibo. He said the woman was still nice to this boy. You know, the guy go dey talk wetin the woman dey do. He go tell am say this woman nice o. Why you not just marry this woman? Why you not just stay with this woman? He go say dey go, not deceive me because say you don't like this your own. You want deceive me, make me come like this one, make me be with this one. Instead of you to talk say you don't already love this man, send this multi. The guy no dey let am dey rest. He say meanwhile, as he take reach oyibo house, e be like say oyibo come tap in line. So e be like say get the way oyibo take do e phone, e dey fit know some kind things about am. And the oyibo come notice say she dey waka kpurukere waka, but the oyibo never really confirm am. He no really know. So the oyibo want to be on a safe side. He come go bring one paper come. He come say the paper, he say they draw house on top of the paper. Say the oyibo come tell am say make he sign. He come tell am say which paper be this one? Say he come talk say as I take carry you come from Africa, this paper na to show say you dey stay with me for here. You don come, you don dey stay this house with me. Now be this paper say make she sign. Now she come say okay, now she come sign. You see how she sign, and they go carry paper comot. You know, it's every time this guy go dey call am, and he go dey call am, go dey disturb am, he go tell am say you make you still dey give me break. And already this oyibo know the guy as him brother. If you call am, go say na him brother. He say one day no know so oyibo your dey domot. The guy call am, he dey tell am say tell me I love you too, I love you. The guy say okay na. He say say I love you too, you no wan talk say I love you too, you no love me again, you no love me again na oyibo now. He say come dey say why you dey talk like this? Okay, I love you too. As he just talk I love you too na so door just open kpakan, oyibo don catch am. Who you dey tell say you love? Oh, you love another person. Now he drag phone, he come see say na that guy wey be say he say na him brother. He can't feel bad. He say now he can't tell am say him just be like Idodo wey so call here because he no know wetin he wan do again. He say the oyibo can't feel bad. Say come dey beg the oyibo say make no worry, everything go dey okay. He say later now he come dey tell the oyibo say since he don't know everything, there is nothing for her to hide again. Make the oyibo just make the divorce because already the guy don dey tell am say make he divorce oyibo. He say he just come. How he go divorce oyibo now? His leg never strong for ground. So he just use this opportunity to tell oyibo say okay, divorce me, I no want again. Now the oyibo say okay, if na wetin you really want, though the oyibo fit beg am, you no gree. He say if na wetin you really want, so the matter dey ground, they never talk am finish. The guy say the way you come dey do now, this and this. The next thing the guy just fly come the city wey she and the oyibo dey, and the guy sef come see dey misbehave with that woman for that side. So he come fly come the city wey he dey, come tell am say he don dey your city, he don rent hotel. You know, if you no come meet me for the hotel, I will just come the house. He say now he come say no come okay, he go come meet me. He come lie to oyibo say he wan travel go see his sister. Now oyibo come say for him cousin for another place. Now oyibo say okay, no problem, make she go. Now so he come go meet this guy for the hotel. They come dey together. Though from hotel enter bar, from bar they go still stroll around. The same way they for the stroll around, now they oyibo friends for same because na the same city. They come see her, they come call oyibo say we see your wife with another black guy you know where your wife? He say my wife travel, my wife not there around. He say we dey see her with another black guy. Come say no, not being a person wey resemble am. Say because she go greet her cousin. He say now they snap them, now they send picture to oyibo. Now oyibo say he say so the oyibo no call. Now say as he come back, now the oyibo come dey show am picture. He say come shock, he come be like Dodo wey so call here. Say this man don catch us. He say na there the man come say well he go do the divorce. He say you change, so he can't go do everything. So he can't reach the day of court. So na the oyibo come tell am say they wan go court so day, and the day of that court oyibo no quick tell am say na so date. He don let am be say na day break be the day of court before oyibo come dey tell am say na tomorrow be our court day o. Now she come say okay, no problem, she go the court. So meanwhile before then he don call some people. They don tell am say no talk say you wan divorce. So if you just say you wan divorce, they fit deport you go back to Africa, you know, and nothing for you. Say as una marry, so if the oyibo na wan divorce you, e get money wey go dey pay you, una go share property, they no go deport you. He say so. He come say okay, na so that they do. He come say okay, no problem. And oyibo no even tell am say see the day of court, so that may he take lawyer for ground wey go talk for am. He say he just tell am say na the next day. Say he come shock. He come say okay, no problem, he go the court. He say but the oyibo come tell am say abeg, if you know say you go fit stay, you go fit keep yourself, you love me, make we no go this court, make we just divorce, leave this matter like this. Then make we still be happy family people together. But you go change your number so that this guy no fit dey call you again. I believe say we fit leave far, we fit change country or city. He say like make dem dey go court since he don already carry him go court. He say so. And they both say okay, I have no other choice. And so they come take go court the next day. He say as they reach court, now they come to say this man say wan divorce you ready? He come say he not ready. Now they come say this man get proof say you dey cheat on her, you dey do this, so he wan divorce you. He say now he come to say but he no ready. Then they come tell am say you know say if this man divorce you right now, you know they work or deport you back to Africa, and another thing again, you go this paper you sign say if una divorce everybody waka im own, and property no be your property, your own property no be im own property. He say na im come talk say no, he no do that one. Na dem come bring paper come out, which means that first paper wey the oyibo give am when he sign, wey talk say this one na to talk say you newly come, you dey stay with me, na your resident be this. He say no be that one na to sign say if we leave each other, your property no be my property no be your property, everybody go like that without sharing any property. He say na wetin you sign be that. Say come say he no know say na this paper no be so the man tell am. He say you don already sign am, you don sign am. So for that reason dem go deport you back to Africa. He say na he come say okay, na so he come take comot, he come go take lawyer and all that, so the man no come dey again. He say meanwhile when they take talk this matter and all that, this guy come just come around, he come go rent one room from somewhere, so he come just dey the place with this guy come see come visit am, and so he come take get the first pregnancy. So now he come go court, go tell lawyer say judge say he get belle. Now they come talk say okay, as you don get belle so you fit stay this country, but for your documents dem not sure say you fit get document because this man don already divorce you and he no fit give you document, and the document remain small make e expire. That is whether na the first 2 years when they give am also. He say so now he come carry belle, come go take dey work, normal work o, come go dey work with small contract when they give am, like say na 3 months contract. So she come go dey work so that she go fit renew her document, because na only way when she go fit take renew her document be that. When they know, because already they say they know deport am because say she don get belle, but the only way she take renew her document, she need to work. So she come dey work. He say with pregnancy she come tie the belle with ghetto take dey work. He say one day when he go change room, na he co-worker see am, na he say you get belle, you dey work. Say so may I just cut the story short, na for there na he come go renew the document. Now they tell am say they no fit renew document for am, say because he get contract wey the person wey dey work with supposed to give am. So he come go meet the person. Now the person come tell am say he just start work with them, he no fit give am that contract. Say na person wey don work, wey don pay tax, na dey collect that kind contract wey she dey ask for, so he no fit give am. He say na he come talk say how he go take get this contract. He say so this guy so come follow am go meet the owner of where she for dey work. They come go dey beg am say abeg she need this document, abeg write this contract for. Na he come talk say this contract the tax wey dey follow am too much, he no go fit pay the tax because she never work to that extent. It's not they come say okay, how much be the tax, how much? Na he come talk say 7,000 euro. He say they come beg the man, so okay, they will give you 5,000 euro, make you help us just give us this contract. Now so the man come take do the contract, give her, he come use am take go submit, they come take renew documents for her. Meanwhile that day when they go meet the what they call am, the couple, the owner of the place where she dey work, when they just dey discuss this matter, that guy dey record everything wey the owner of the working place talk, how he go take renew, how he take collect 5,000, everything. The guy record everything. This guy no know say the guy record everything. He record everything, he keep am, he no talk, you understand. So the man can't really do wetin he talk because they pay am money. The man, they can't give am contracts. And so they take give this lady contract, he can't take renew her documents. So she can't see the work for them before she can't stop. She can't just born. He not take again, born the second one. Meanwhile, this guy, the Oyibo side, the Oyibo just see the way they do, you know, they stay where they receive different calls. Now the Oyibo just push her outside, collect document for hand. In short, that country that they come dey find am, make they deport her, go back home. He can't run comot for the country without documents. Now so he take run come meet this girl. As he dey with this girl, now he come say make this girl give her documents. Now they can't go where they for they give documents. Now those people, the country can't tell this guy say before they go give you documents, you must have to stay here. Proof must they say you don stay 3 years for this for this country. If proof no dey say you don stay this country for 3 years, dem no fit give you document. Na the girl come tell am say okay, you stay for this country for 3 years so that you fit get document. One leg no let am stay one place, and so e still run comot. E come go another country, e come go give one African woman wey get passport belle. E come give am belle say make e for fit give am document because say that one get passport. That one born pikin for am, that one no give am passport. E come still dey run up and down, e come run come again. Now dey tell am say e never reach 3 years, na so the guy dey run up and down, dey run up and down. One place no reach am stay. She go dey tell am say you stay here so that you go fit get this document. E no dey fit stay, e go run go there. If na here, e go run go there. Though the guy dey make money because he dey do all this kind level now, so he still dey make money on his own. Money no be the guy problem, but make e just stay one place na be the wahala wey dey. But the guy no wan stay one place. So and if e even come, na so quarrel, beating, the relationship no dey work well for them. Even to even born that second pikin na wahala. Na so beat na e dey beat am. E say so tey their neighbor go dey call police. E say the first time neighbor call police come na dem come ask am say dem hear say dem dey shout for here, na make dem call you, wetin dey happen? E say e come say no, dem no dey shout o, na e papa na die for Africa, na make him dey cry. Say dem come say okay, no cry again, you dey disturb other neighbor, take am easy, you hear me? So rest in peace. E say those police people come comot. E say meanwhile e dey inside house, so e come go hide. E no reach a week again, e still beat am. E say na dem come send police come, and e come be say na the same police wey dem first send come that week, 1 week ago, na e still come again. Na e come meet am, e come tell am say wetin dey happen this time again when you dey cry? Na your mama na e come die now, abi na your grandmama na e come die now? E say e come quiet, e no know wetin e wan talk. E say na the policeman come tell am say him dey see your eye say na man na dey beat you and you no wan talk. Make this man make e no come kill you, because the way you dey cover up so e no go help you. He just give you im own personal advice. Him dey go. E say na so the man come take go. E say and if him go report this man now, e say because dem don first dey find am for another country, and if him go report am now again, dem just catch am, dem just deport am. He no know as him wan do am. Whether make him just go talk say he really dey beat am. I know wetin I dey talk. The man really dey harsh on her. E dey harsh on her because I don talk to this man, but he no know say na me. The way he take talk, the man dey harsh. I really have to say this. The man is harsh. But make we no judge say the man harsh. Whether any solution dey wey be say dem fit be together, I no know that part. Na that part I really want make una help them, because she say she need help now. Because the man now come say upon all the waka when he don waka with her, na she come gain am because she don get documents. He no get documents, so the man dey use that pepper body for am. But na the man no gree stay make dem give am documents, so the man dey use pepper body for her. And this man now, he say the girl must give am documents. So now the girl say no be dey give person documents. As they tell you say if you fit stay 3 years without you no comot for this country, they go give you documents. If you stay 1 year, you go run comot. If you don dey even dey near the 3 years when they want to give you documents, na that time you go know say you wan run comot go meet another woman. You go stay there o. If that one don still put pepper for your eye, you go still run come back again. He say so they no fit give you document. If you come still come back, if they go, they'll say he cut. He have to stay for 3 years, and the man he no fit stay for 3 years. And now they use the pepper body on her, say na him bring am come Europe o, na him carry am come o. Now she get documents, he no get documents. So the man now he say the threatening wey he come dey threaten this woman now be say he wan go tell people when he give this woman documents, say see as this woman take get documents. Una remember say that time when she get her first pregnancy, when they say they wan carry her comot for the they say they no renew her document for her, when she come go talk to the owner of where she dey work, when the owner come say okay, he go help am, say if they bring so amount, when that man take the man help am, you understand, take write those things, na he take go submit. now that voice recording wey say him play for there, he say wan go play am to people wey give this woman document so that make dem lis ten see say the way she take get na fake. I don't know that part for inside, because maybe if you watch this video you fit watch am, you fit not watch am. I don't know whether wetin una think. If the man go report this lady, they go collect document for this lady hand, they go arrest this man, and this lady now say he no want me go put that man, that oyibo man for problem. He no want, because na good the man do for am, so he no want me go put that man for problem, because he know say as he talk am so, he get where he go do am reach. If he can't go talk, he go come lose him own, and that man go come dey problem. So wetin he wan do now? And there is no be say no one give am document, but na law. They say he must have to stay the country for 3 years before they'll give am document. But the man, his body dey hot. He no want patient for that 3 years. This 3 years when they talk so, he don pass 7 years. But only say he not stay one place. He not let the 3 years complete. So that they'll say, okay, these 3 years don't complete, or yeah, I can't go. He not let her complete. He don't even pass 7 years. If you don't dey remain small make it complete, na that time go comot. If you don't dey remain small make it complete, na that time go comot. I no come know whether na that blood oath na I come see cause am, because they say that blood oath e dey lead to many things. So that's why una give una people, una children warning. Una tell una children as they grow up, they come. Make dem not say they love that person so much they fit do anything for that person, go take blood oath. E dey dangerous, e dey perigoloso, as my people for here talk. Abeg, una talk to una children, your sisters, and share this video. Whether na that one come dey worry dem now, when be say peace no dey, and now two of them still dey together. Like say e dey with another man, now they go say na because say e dey with another man, if you go meet the man everything go dey okay. Now the man just dey with now. The man dey lere like age baba. You know that baba chair when they roll up and down here. Now so 3 years when they give her now is now 7 years, but the 3 years never still complete, because he not stay one place make it complete. So my people, which advice una get for this our sister? Wetin she go do? And if they beat her too, if you come say make go report this man now, they go deport am. That one na number one wey dey one side o. Then number two again is the man say he wan go play record for people wey give this girl documents. He go play that record now. Wetin una think say go happen? Because me I no understand. Abeg my precious people, my reasonable people, my valuable people, abeg una matter don come again o. Una voice recording, una comment down there, abeg abeg. We will see how this matter will take solve, because this matter now not be say she bring am come say mona come judge the man. She bring am come say solution na she come for, and the matter for here not be judge, na solution when be say it go good for her, it go still good for the man. Anyhow it can be, but mona say the truth. I just want to tell una thank you. Una take be patient. 33 minutes today, the thing long. I even cut am short. E dey long as I dey cut am short reach, the thing can't even tire me. Abeg una no vex say this video long like this. Abeg una. So abeg una leave una comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. I remain your Lady T, your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, anyone you call me, I dey there for you. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you, and bye.